What's happening, folks? Back with another reaction, back with some more Flock of Seagulls, and mea culpa 1,000 times over. This is another deep dive that fell off longer than I intended, but shout out to Han Solo who's been sharing their material. We're back to the 1986 album Dream Come True, and the next track is Who's That Girl? And then parenthetically, is it She's Got It, which I like. We get a sense of what's happening. Who's that girl? Someone who is transfixed or otherwise enamored the narrator, but whose identity is as yet unknown, or at least only part of who she is has been revealed. And then secondarily, she's got it. It sounds like the classic, je ne sais quoi, like she's got something. She's got this, striking quality, this dynamic, this presence that captures you. So it feels like someone who is very much attracted to a woman, but is still in the process of figuring out who she is and how he feels and everything that may happen. So let's find out. This is A Flock of Seagulls. The track is Who's That Girl? She's Got It, with the latter part parenthetical, and it's from their 1986 album Dream Come True.
She's got it, got it. She's got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Yeah. Who's that girl? Who's that little girl in the corner? She's so fine. Oh, how I wish that she was mine. I wanna hold her to make her mine. Who's that little girl in the corner? She dances and sings. She looks like she's from the movie scene. Maybe a hero. Is it a dream? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Yeah. Who's that girl? Who's that little girl in the corner? She's so fine. She hypnotized me with desire. I wanna hold her. She gets me high. She's got it.
You see what they did there?
She's got it. She's got it. I wanna hold her to make her mine. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Yeah. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Yeah.
The jet effect.
She's got it. Got it. She's got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Very nice.
Who's that little girl in the corner? She's so fine. Oh, how I wish that she was mine. I wanna hold her to make her mine. She's got She's got She's got I wanna hold her to make her mine. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Yeah. Who's that girl? She's got it. Who's that girl?
So if it's like, here's the cutoff. You do an extended mix or it fades. Or
Got it. Who is that girl? Who's that girl? Who is that girl? Who's that girl? Yeah. Who is that girl? Who's that girl? She's got it. Who is that girl? She's got it. Who is that girl? Tell me. Who is that girl? I don't know. She's got it. Who is that girl?
Okay, so yeah, it feels like a long album track. I'm suddenly thinking of the first couple Madonna albums where the regular album tracks were like 6.5, 7 minutes. Like, wow, like you don't often see this. You'll often see an extended mix or a 12-inch mix or something that is that long. But yeah, it felt like a longer one. I don't know in the moment exactly what the time was. Just about only over 4 minutes. That's crazy. I don't know. That's weird. It felt longer than that, but I guess it was a lot packed into that 4 minutes, and it feels like it was very much what I was saying. Someone captivated, attracted to the allure and the appeal of this woman, and is keen to make her his. And I feel like, when you get the repetition over the time of the song, and perhaps reaching out, I feel like by the end, surely, he knows whether or not there's a connection there. So I like the way there's an implied narrative, but it's really just a snapshot in time. So yeah, we can imagine the connection. And ultimately, the Sonics are very different from the first couple albums. Definitely a more, what's the right word? Like mid-'80s dance floor feel, less of that, what's the right word? Like unique synth rock. The synth rock that I think characterized the sound I was to some extent familiar with through maybe their biggest hit, but which I've come to know on a more comprehensive level. Definitely is a different thing than this here, which has that driving dance floor mid-'80s synth type of sound. So and indeed, I know like Han Solo and others were talking. There was a shift in perception or reception among fans when they took that turn. But yeah, I did enjoy the use of the female vocal with the male vocal in this one. It feels like it's appropriate. And yeah, it paints, again, an image or a snapshot, but I like how the outcome is up to the imagination. So do let me know what you think of this one. I will try to keep a more regular schedule with this and the other deep dives. Inevitably, some are going to slip off, but you have my assurance. I will continue to check and try to make sure there's nothing that's completely falling off. So in any case, do let me know if there is something like that. I always appreciate friendly reminders, as long as it's with an understanding that there's just a lot going on in the channel. I will never be upset at that. So do let me know if there is. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Peace.